welcome back to my channel. This is your home-based Nomad, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Kim and I'm a freelancer. I vlog about travel, work from home, tutorials, unboxing, and lifestyle. If you like any of my videos, please like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell for you to be updated of every new uploads. So, for today's video, we're about to go to Bai Hotel Mandaue Cebu. So let's go! Hi guys, so we just checked in and we're now inside our deluxe room accommodation. So now let's check out what's inside. We have here 2 beds, a flat screen TV, a work desk, which is going to be my spot for tonight. And by the way, just to highlight, this is a JBL Horizon speaker, which is very cool because it has some date, clock, and the speaker. And by the way, we also have here some bedside chairs, which are very comfy, and you can use it while relaxing and watching the view. Now let's have a quick look on their bathroom. And now, let's check out their infinity lap pool located at the roof deck. Let's check out Cafe Croissant for our buffet dinner meal. Here at Cafe Croissant, they offer a variety of foods to choose from. Seafoods, meat, veggies, desserts, you got it! Not to mention their awesome customer service. Working from home definitely made me feel at ease with balancing life and work all together. In fact, I can conveniently bring my work anywhere. let's take a look at their fitness center. I would say this is one huge gym. As you can see, they have a variety of equipment from treadmills, exercise bicycles, and so on. That's just awesome. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next video. Thumbs if you like it, sub if you love it. Peace.